Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to learn about a very short and interesting grammar topic, if clauses. With the help of this video, you will understand different types of conditional clauses. You will learn to express your imagination and also you will be able to use conditionals properly in your conversations. If clauses are otherwise called conditional clauses, we can divide any conditional clause into two parts, like if part and the main clause. You can see words like will, would, can, could, may, might in main clauses. There are four types of if clauses or conditional clauses: zero conditionals, first conditionals, second conditionals, and third conditionals. To begin with, we are going to discuss about zero conditional. It is used to talk about things which are always true. In zero conditional, you can see both if clause and the main clause are in simple present tense. Example, if I am late for school, my teacher gets angry. If I oversleep, I miss the bus. If I miss the bus, I'm late for school. If I'm late for the school, my teacher gets angry. As I told you earlier, you can see both if parts and the main clauses are in simple present tense in all these examples. The first conditionals are used to talk about things which are possible in the present or in the future. In first conditionals, you can see the if clause in present tense and the main clause will be with words like will, can, may or must. Examples are, if I go to London, I will see the Big Ben. If I go to Buckingham Palace, I can take a photo of the Royal Guard. If you go to London, you must look right before crossing a street. Second conditionals are used to talk about things which are unreal in the present or in the future. In second conditionals, the if clause will be in past tense and the main clause contain words like would, could or might. Example, if I were an astronaut, I would travel in a spaceship. We never use was in second conditionals. Instead, we can use were with any subject. More examples are, if I were an astronaut, I would travel in a spaceship. If I traveled in a spaceship, I would go to Mars. If I went to Mars, I would meet a Martian. If I met a Martian, I wouldn't understand him. If I didn't understand him, I would come back to the earth. Third conditional is used to talk about something in the past that didn't happen. This way we can imagine how things could have been different in the past. If something had been different, something else would have been happened. Here you can see the if part in past perfect tense and the main clause will be with would have, could have or might have plus past participle form of the verb. Examples are, if I had studied hard, I would have passed my exams. If you had passed your exams, you could have gone to the beach. If I had gone to the beach, I would have made sand castles. We understand that none of these imaginations had happened in his real life. since they are expressed in third conditionals. Now pause the video and try all these exercises to check your understanding of the concept.